Hey guys, welcome back to the Day Daily. So today I'm going to be using this chocolate pen and I'm going to be making some, I know this is cake batter, but I like to use it as cupcakes. So we're gonna be making some cupcakes and then we're gonna be decorating them with this chocolate pen. I'm super excited to do this. And yeah, I really love baking, so this is gonna be really fun. Like, look at all this you can make. That's pretty insane. So let's get in with the video. Woo, woo, woo. All right, so the first thing you're going to need is your batter. I'm just using chocolate fudge batter. So let's do that. And we're gonna pour this thing in. Right, now let's see what the instructions are now. We need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's do that. Have a parent or an adult help you. I have one right there. Say hello. Hello. And then press bake, and then you go to 350 like that, and you press start on. For some of yours, it might just be bake, and then do it and bake again, but anyways. We're gonna need some water, some vegetable oil, and some eggs, so let's get them. How many eggs did it say? I think it said 3. Right? Yeah, I see the thing. Right? Not the eggs. It says 3 eggs. Sprinkler. So.
Now, I should be helping here too, so.
No. Should I help?
You guys think about that, and I think I just should help. So, I'm gonna help.
So we need, I'm gonna get the big measuring cup here. We're just gonna get this thing right here. And we're gonna pour in 1.5 cup of vegetable oil first. So we're gonna go to this one right here. Right there. Next, we have to do 1 1/4 cup of water. So, Kason, you want to do that? We're going to fill it up to right there. Okay. Stop. And then if it's a little bit over, you can just pour a little bit out. I think that's good. And then to check it, this is what you do. You like this. And I think that's pretty good. You want to pour it in? Yeah. Wait, look, show them the water. Water and oil doesn't mix.
Whoa.
It's kind of cool. All right, go ahead and pour it in. Good job.
The big mountain still holds up.
Now I have to do 3 eggs.
Can I do one?
Yay. Get 1 egg. We did that. So, all right. Now we need to whisk it up. Whisk. And where's the other whisk? Ooh, there it is. Let's go.
Chocolate on my knuckle.
That's okay. Don't lick it yet.
You're making me jealous.
All right, you guys. So while Casey's doing that, I'm gonna get this ready.
You're making me feel all the pain.
Hey. Okay, so we're gonna need some cupcake tins. And then down here, to get these out. And we're gonna put these in. These are really hard to get out. So if you see me struggling, this is why, because they're really hard to get out.
How's the batter looking?
Pretty good.
Looks pretty good to me.
Yeah, but she's still making me feel pain.
Why?
It does.
All right, you guys, so now we're going to use these little spoon things and fill them up. We each get 2 rows. Okay. So I'll take this row first. You want to fill them up about halfway. It's okay if it gets on them. All right, so I've actually learned from experience accidentally putting them all the way full, like the cupcake tins, and they overflowed too much. It was not good. Yeah, so don't do that. Do a little more now.
So if you have these spoons, just fill them up all the way, and then it fits perfect in the cupcakes just for halfway. So it's good.
All right, so let's stick these in. Make sure you have a parent help you if you are not allowed to do this alone. But my mom is right here to watch me, and she'll make sure I'm really careful, and I'll make sure I'm really careful so that we don't hurt ourselves. So ask a parent for help. So I do, I put it on, and then I push the top like this so I don't get burnt, like that. And then how long should we do it for? 15 minutes. And it normally tells you on the back, we looked on the back, so. Boom, and go. All right, so while those are cooking, we're gonna make the frosting. So we have everything right here. All right, so we're going to be making cream and cheese frosting because we don't have buttercream. But this tastes really good, so we're gonna make this one. Let's go! Alrighty, so we're gonna combine the butter and the cream cheese in a bowl. So let's do that. So we need to soften the butter and the cream cheese. So what we're gonna do is we're putting them in a bowl and we're gonna put them in the microwave. But you don't want to completely melt them, you just want to make them soft. So we're going to do 10 seconds and then flip it and then 10 seconds until it is soft. So let's do that. Put them in there. Then we'll check on them. Dance party while you're doing it. Then you want to flip the butter. Dance party here. Alright, and we're gonna flip it one more time. Actually, that's pretty squishy. So, that's good. So you want it to the point where it's still squishy like this, but it's not completely melted. So, yeah, that's what we did. So now we're going to pour it in. And so it says 1 stick of butter, so we're just going to put that in. Oh. And I'm gonna scrape the rest out with a spatula. Let's get my favorite color, blue. If you didn't know that about me.
She stole my spatula. Hers is pink and mine is blue.
Well, mine is dirty.
Missy.
Mine is dirty. And then we are going to be doing the same thing to the cream cheese here. So, yeah, just repeat that same process, but with the cream cheese. All right, so let's pour this one. Like that. So now we are going to close this. Push it forward like that. Put it down like that, and we're going to start it. It says, combine butter, cream, cheese, in a bowl of a stand mixer. And beat until creamy. So you want it to be creamy. Then, if it gets stuck to your whatever you're using, like this, you can just take a spatula or a fork or a spoon or whatever you're using, and you just go through the sides like this. Just push it out. Make sure you get it all mixed up in there. Alrighty, that is good. So we're going to do our next step now, and I'm just gonna do the same thing I was doing. Alright, so we're gonna do 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Oh my gosh, I love the smell of vanilla. I just love it. So we're going to pour it over here like that, just like that. All right. We're gonna do 4 teaspoons like this. Just going to stick it in there. I'll add a little bit more because I didn't quite get the full thing. Boom. And then what we're going to do next is we're gonna add powdered sugar gradually until it gets to the right consistency.
Gotta mix that first.
Well, yeah, after we mix this. Here we go. So the cupcake just beeped, like the timer beeped. So we got our mitts on and we're going to, oh yes, look at these beauties. Is that this hot on my face? So we're going to put them there like that. Then we have to do the test to see if they're ready. So what you do is you take a toothpick, if you didn't already know this trick, and then you're going to stick it in one of the cupcakes. And if it comes out and there's no batter on it, like this, see, I'll stick it in again. There's no batter, that means it's perfecto. We know the exact time we need to do. So now let's finish up our frosting. All right, so Kayson's gonna finish up adding in the rest of the batter while we finish up the frosting. And we have our little cupcake stand over there. I think it's like that. All right, anyways, so now that we have mixed up the salt and the vanilla, we're going to, while it's mixing, we're gonna gradually add 4 cups of powdered sugar. So we're gonna take our 1 cup and we're just gonna add it in. We're doing this on low. All right, so it is all done. Let's see it here.
It's the best part of baking.
Getting to eat it.
Yeah.
But it is also pretty fun to bake it. Well, in my opinion. Now let's get to frosting and decorating. Chocolate Pen sent us this awesome little kit, so we're going to open it up. Let's see. Ooh. Alrighty, so here's the chocolate pen, which is the most important part, and look what it comes with. Well, luckily we already made that, so I'm gonna start by opening up the actual pen part. We're gonna move this to the table. Okay, so what we're doing right now is, this is the chocolate, and right now we are melting it, so they were rock solid, like this, like, look. Totally rock solid. And then we are putting them in hot water, and then after it's warmed up, we're going to knead them. So for steady flow. All right, guys. So we let this heat up, and we heated these up to the point where they're liquidy. So we are going to add them in now. So I'm gonna take our little thing here, and there's a little tear strip right here.
Guys, these are hard.
Thank you. All right, so I'm just going to snip it, and we're just going to pour
I just
these
need
in.
to snip it.
Oh, satisfaction. Satisfaction. All right. Tastes like some pretty good chocolate. Ready? And then I've got some white chocolate here. So, guys, this pen is so cool. It says my name on it.
She didn't believe me at first.
I was like, no, there's no way it says my name on it. All right, you guys, so we have a little boy Suedo here. Say hello, guys.
Hi, special guest.
And I just did a yum one, but this is really thick.
And I'm starting to make a little cupcake.
I'm making a poopy cupcake.
All right, so it is out now. That ran out pretty fast. Want to put glitter on it?
Can I?
Yeah.
Can we eat it with glitter?
Mm-hmm. So, here, I'm gonna help
Why
you.
we can eat it with glitter?
Because it's edible glitter. Alright, you guys, so we're gonna put glitter on Sway's cupcake.
Hi, people.
Okay, so Sway, what you're gonna do is take your finger, and this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna pinch it and then
I
sprinkle
know.
it on, okay? Good job. Take it and sprinkle it on. Oh, pretty. Wanna do some more?
Where should I put this, Daya?
Just put it on your plate. Want me to put on a little bit more?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, Sway. Look at how sparkly it is.
That's a lot.
Let's see that cupcake, Oro. Ooh, good job. Hazen, was that the one? Looks good.
This one Sway's, this one's mine, and this one is mine.
Alright, you guys, so here are all the cupcakes. Some of these are Sway's, some of these are Kaysen's, some of these are mine. I think they look really cool, and this is a really fun thing to do. I really liked it. Look at the pretty roses that the chocolate's made and these little flowers. My favorite one is probably either, I kind of like this one, or just that one. I really like the ones with the glitter. I think it made it really cool. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.